Kraken, how to sell crypto. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can sell crypto on Kraken, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to sell crypto on Kraken, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Kraken application here and sign into your account. If you have bought a certain amount of crypto in, let's say, and then now you decide that it is time for you to sell it, you can actually do that. And for that, all you have to do is first of all open up Kraken, come to the portfolio tab, and then you'll find the cryptocurrency that you have. So just make sure to select that particular cryptocurrency you have, and once you've done that, you'll be able to enter the value of it, and once you confirm the value of it, you will be able to sell your cryptocurrency in that regard. This way you can sell crypto on Kraken. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.